Welcome back to the Griddle Guys, Griddle Nation. Hope all is well. We are back with another exciting episode.
Well, you're back. Jeff and I never left.
I am back. I took a week off, as you noticed last week. But I'm back. These guys gone next week too.
Extra fees on air travel, gas tax.
We're used to
concern for this guy.
We're used to carrying you.
Someone's gonna do it. Anyway, the show's going on today. It is Italian night. We are doing a massive chicken Parmesan, extra cheese submarine. I'm expecting big, massive. We got the bread, fresh made today. I don't know if I'm doing one or two of these yet, but we're doing this. So
this is low carb.
all low carb, low fat. My take on it. I'm gonna do my own sauce. We're gonna get right on it. See you in a few. Hit that intro, Jonelle.
And someone let the dog in.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell.
First things first, we're gonna get the sauce going. It's gonna simmer for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna get that going, throwing some olive oil down.
Just wanted to say I missed you, buddy.
I miss you too.
Long time.
Good to see you.
It was tough times dealing with just Nate.
I know, I don't know how you could do that.
Dude, how do you think I feel? I got to deal with me all day.
Yeah.
So hey, is this since you're Italian, is this a famous family recipe?
It's not famous.
Like Jeff's famous corned beef sandwich that none of us ever heard of?
It's my take on
My camp potatoes.
like a spicy red sauce.
Like
I'm gonna
Fra
try to
Diavolo?
get some heat, like a Fra Diavolo. I'm gonna try to get some heat and some garlic as well. I got about 7 cloves of garlic here.
A lot of garlic.
So we're just gonna get that going. Get that up to heat. We'll just brown it a little bit and then I'll throw the crushed tomatoes in.
That's an interesting spoon.
What I got.
Do you have anything
You never
small?
been hit by these when you were a kid?
Never
Maybe
even
not
seen
this
those.
small.
Did you take that out of like one of the kids' dollhouses?
Yeah, maybe.
Did you see that thing?
It's adorable.
It's adorable.
So cute.
It's the most precious spoon that I've ever seen.
All right, so that garlic it smells good in here right now, boys. Garlic's just starting to brown up a little bit. We'll start to add crushed tomato, 1 big can.
I wasn't paying attention at the beginning. Was that just oil or did you have oil and butter?
Just oil.
All right.
Red pepper flakes.
I'd go heavy with that.
Yeah, if you want it spicy, just put it all in.
I put a lot in last time I made it and it didn't, I'm telling you. But what I did not put in last time, which I'm putting in this time, is a little cayenne. I should mention, I'm trying to make this like a Fra Diavolo, a little spicy.
Or a lot spicy.
Or a lot, for these guys. These guys aren't afraid of a little heat.
That was a good amount.
Yeah, not too bad.
Teaspoon?
Yeah, about a teaspoon.
Well, it's probably about a
Go
teaspoon.
heavy on
right?
oregano. Salt. Hey, Jeff, there's sugar right up in there. Salt. Pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah, good. Yeah, perfect. Some sugar. There we go. What am I meant? Oh, a little Cholula, which I haven't added yet. Oh, fumble! Nate, you been messing with my pepper thing? You were the last one to touch that. What happened?
I didn't touch it at all. It's all you. We got some crunchy pepper in the sauce.
Nice,
We got
nice.
a couple big kernels. You'll know them when you get when you bite it.
It'll reduce.
It might. We'll give it a good mix. Oh, it smells good.
Jeff's got to bread the chicken, right?
A little vodka in there.
You can throw a pinch in. You want to throw a pinch in? Why not? Good.
Nice.
Perfect. We're gonna simmer this for about 20 minutes. Up next, we're gonna put Nate to work and Jeff, so time to get this chicken going.
I'm the camera guy.
Yeah, you can do both, I've seen you.
We know how you love to bread stuff, so.
Nice.
What are you doing?
So, I like to use the heavier plastic when I'm doing this.
Just give you a perfectly good bag, Nate.
You are now officially down one perfectly good bag.
I guess so.
I mean, you can reuse this afterwards if you want to, but. So the first thing I always look for is when they leave the cartilage on this edge here usually. You want the fat off, right?
Yeah, but you want it on. Did you want it on?
I like it, but for a chicken parm sandwich, probably
You want
not.
to freak Jeff out?
I know, right? For anyone who doesn't know this, Jeff trims his chicken
like a normal person.
extensively is an understatement.
Hey, you understand butterfly, right?
Oh, you wanted it that way? All right, well, you got one piece that's not.
So you get a filleted butterfly.
Next one will be butterfly.
Actually, you know what? That's a pretty good size. If they're all that size, that works well. That's fine.
Well, this one's a little smaller. You want to see this one? What size it comes out at?
That's fine. That's still good size.
That's what?
That's
Never
fine.
mind.
Yeah. You pound that chicken pretty good, pal. All right, Jeff, time to get the assembly line going.
A butterfly. I'll butterfly the next one. It'll be massive.
No, I'll just end up cutting it anyway. After it's done.
More crust this way.
All right, Nate's been pounding the crap out of that chicken, doing a nice job. So it's now to get the line going. So Jeff, you go ahead and say what you're doing. We got some all-purpose flour in there.
All-purpose flour, some banditos, which is a little garlic, pepper, onion powder, garlic salt.
So
Go ahead with that. Mix that up.
a little Cholula. What?
Nothing
What's wrong with Cholula?
I'm just looking at the mess that I already made, and this is the first piece of chicken.
I'm
Jeez.
surprised you're letting Jeff bread chicken in your kitchen again.
Hold on, let me mix this up.
For the chicken, it was the chicken sandwich competition, wasn't it?
Yes. Check that out.
That was like 2 years ago.
That was like
That was
an
3 years ago.
an
That was
18-hour cook.
filming till 11 o'clock at night, 12 o'clock at night. Jeff's most elaborate sandwich in the world. Used every bowl in Chris's kitchen.
But we all agreed that in the end, I ended up making the best chicken sandwich.
No, we did not agree. You can watch the video. You guys, that is not what happened at all. But we were amateurs then.
Yeah.
Not like now.
Not like
Now we're
now.
pros.
We're at amateur version .5.
What I got in here I got panko I'm using, and I actually mixed it with some, what is it, Progresso Italian breadcrumbs. This is gonna be good. Look at that.
Not for nothing, but I think I got the easiest job.
I keep making a
I
mess.
always take care of you.
Nate's got this seat at the end of the night.
We'll just get the dog over here. He'll take care of things.
Well, you're really slowing things up here.
Well, gotta do it right. This is where all the magic is, Jeff.
I should probably wait till he's ready, right?
I can help with that, Chris. The advantage of 6 hands.
I still have one good hand here.
You want some?
Not yet, hold on.
That's good, Chris. That's good that you got the
What?
the one good hand.
We're gonna keep doing this, guys. We're almost about halfway done. A couple things, guys. I threw some basil. I forgot to mention I put some basil in my sauce, which
Is amazing.
already tastes. We just tasted it. It's been about 20, I don't know, maybe a half an hour. Got it down real low, so tastes really good. Kind of exactly what I was looking for.
Spicy,
Yes,
but
couple
not
basil
too
leaves.
spicy.
I floured this chair perfectly. It's gonna be good to go.
Next, we just buttered the bread. Both sides. Nate and I just did this. Also grated some mozzarella.
This is the dry mozzarella, right? Or is it, no, just regular fresh?
That's regular fresh mozzarella.
Yep.
And Nate right now is doing some Parmesan.
Gonna lose a fingernail doing Parmesan.
That's gonna be the first layer of cheese right here is the Parmesan.
Who cut this bread? That looks perfect.
Jeff cut the bread. We didn't get it on film. Nice job, man.
That's because I was gonna mess it up.
But we're ready to head. As soon as he's done, we're going out to the griddle and fire it up. Start cooking.
You, is that enough? You want
Minutes
more?
away. That's plenty. Perfect.
All right, it's all yours.
Thank you. Is that the whole bar?
No,
Awesome.
there's another piece in there.
Good. Shallow fry canola oil is what I'm using today. A lot of it. And yes, my griddle's tilted forward. The reason for that is because I just trying to pull it a little bit.
I just want to make some observation here, Chris. Jeff is standing behind the camera, not doing any work.
Again.
Hiding.
It's not easy keeping this production
Hiding.
going.
Wow, these smell good already. Even though it's just breading.
That sauce is the stuff.
So I got this on medium heat right now. I don't want to burn these. I want to just get them golden brown. I'm going to load her up with a lot more oil in a second here. Or Nate, if you want to start spraying some like crazy,
What do you want me to do?
throw some
You're
oil.
gonna fit all of those on? Wow, nice job.
I'm gonna play the picture of the griddle, put it up top.
I'm thinking 3 to 4 minutes right now each side. Hopefully we're golden brown.
GBD?
TBD?
GBD, golden brown delicious.
You're gonna need more oil at that rate.
I gotcha. All right, so we'll wait 3 minutes. Okay, Google.
Did my phone react?
Don't get everybody upset that we're messing with it.
Oh, look at that.
looking beautiful.
It's literally been 3 minutes, just over.
And you got the griddle pretty low.
I got it on medium, really. That's all I got it on.
Well, the fact that it's not 20 degrees out is a nice.
Yeah, you could dip that right in there and just move it up.
Oh, those are looking beautiful, Chris.
That's a nice small one.
Look at that. You gonna get a good picture of that? Minga!
Hey,
Hey!
that is a beautiful looking griddle right there. Hey, don't forget my piece.
A little extra. There we go. 3 more minutes?
Sorry.
3 more minutes? We're gonna take them
You know
off.
what? You know what we gotta do when Jeff starts doing that with the camera?
Hit him in the
As he gets close, just hit him in the stomach.
Chris, what are we up to?
We 165 plus on all of these. This side even cooked quicker than the other side.
That was literally 2 minutes.
Yeah, probably 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, right around there. Well,
Yeah.
a nice, good color.
Definitely looking nice. Oh, look at Nate doing exactly what he's giving me a hard time for with the GoPro. Real nice.
The difference here, Jeff, is I'm helping. I'm not
Nice.
just hanging out wasting time.
You know you can get really close to Chris's face with doing it like that.
Oh, Jeff, your piece. Open your mouth.
Don't forget it. Don't
Your
forget.
mouth. All right, so I'm gonna actually grab the sauce. We're gonna get the bread. We're gonna clean this up. We still got more to build. More to build. Just gonna toast these really quickly before we go inside.
Those really small pieces of toast.
Really small piece. Nothing to see here.
So what do you have on that? Just butter?
Just butter.
Nice.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them. Throw our first layer of cheese. We got some Parmesan cheese. So that's gonna be right on the bottom. And then we're gonna go inside and build. So literally 30 seconds here, not too long. I don't wanna make the bread hard. Just give it a little toast. Check these out. All right, little brown, that's all I was looking for. Butter and brown. Yeah, that's good enough. And then we are just gonna cheese these really quick. Parmesan.
For anybody wondering what that is, it's Nate texting.
This is gonna be next level, guys. Next
That's all
level.
I hear is the keyboard. You gonna use the grill blazer on that?
You know what?
I love the grill blazer.
I am gonna do that. I might use the grill blazer a couple times tonight. So let's start off with one. Why not?
Okay, Google. Why is Jeff so aggravating?
Grill blazer. There'll be a code in the link in the description down below. Save 10%. I can't get enough of this thing. I love it.
He literally
Maybe I'm a
can't.
little pyromaniac a little bit.
T-minus 10 seconds till bread burns to a crisp.
Nah.
I swear he cooks meals just so he can use that.
I agree. I saw him using it on his cereal the other day. Put some Wheaties in a bowl, whip that thing out.
I'm thinking about going to work for these guys. I love your product so much, I want to sell it. Look at that.
That's a nice color.
This is a gentle blowtorch right now. Perfect.
That is nice.
Just for effect. All right, let's get this stuff inside. We're gonna start building. All right, time to build this incredible sandwich, submarine. So you saw what we did out there in the griddle. We got some Parmesan cheese in the bottom. So we got butter toasted. Now I'm doing a layer of sauce. You don't want the basil leaf in there.
That sauce is killer.
The sauce came out super good. Let's get that nice. So you're gonna spread the sauce out.
Hey, get the mozzarella. Where's the mozzarella?
Got it. Cheese.
Mozzarella.
More cheese. Mozzarella slices. Okay? 1, 2. Gabagool. Look at that. Bang. I'm gonna double up over here. I like it right over the edge, just like that. Okay. Time for the chicken. You guys okay if I use my hands on that?
No.
Damn. They're so big I have to.
He has such cute utensils.
I know.
Look at how small his tongs are.
It's a piece. I don't know. What do you think?
I think you can't go wrong either. Actually, if you swing that one, flip it so that way you yeah, right there. There we go. Maybe not.
Yeah. Nah. Nope. Not happy with it. That's a little better, I think. Yeah, okay. More sauce. You guys getting hungry yet?
Getting hungry.
I'm just mesmerized watching you. In this
You
assembly
see the
process.
concentration, Nate?
I
Is
do.
that what it is?
I do.
And me making noise?
Oh, yeah.
This is food porn.
Wow.
Next. Parmesan. No,
no.
mozzarella.
That was a combination of the two, isn't it?
Mozzarella.
Yeah, that was your blend.
So this is the mozzarella.
So you're not doing 2 layers?
No, just stick with one. This is gonna be plenty.
You sure? You sure that's enough?
Yeah. You wanna do the honors of the grill blazer, Jeff?
No, absolutely not.
In my kitchen?
Not
Why
in your
not?
kitchen.
There's nothing wrong here.
We don't want to deprive
Nothing
you
wrong
of being
here.
a pyro. Hey, didn't Grill Blazer tell us not to use this indoors?
Yeah, I think so.
I think they said that.
Actually, this is the indoor one.
Oh, this is the indoor one?
Yeah. The bigger one is for outdoors.
What do you guys think?
I think you need to give it a Salt Bay done right there.
Go big or go home, right? Little parsley?
Exactly like that. That was, you're spot
I don't know
on.
what he does. How about that? You guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Done.
Done. Look at
Nice
that.
job, Chris. Nice job.
Wow, that is pretty.
Time to dig in.
You have to hit it from both angles. Oh, yeah.
That is a meal. And then some.
Nice.
All right, Chris.
Wait a
here's
second.
your serving.
I was just going to say, where's mine? Do it, Chris. Do it.
Oh.
Do it.
I want to do it, Jeff. You don't
All
have to
in,
ask me
do it.
twice. I'm in.
What do you think? That sauce is killer. It really is.
God.
I'll cut normal size pieces for you and I, Jeff.
Thank you. Guys, if you haven't done it yet, like, subscribe, hit the bell. We appreciate you. We got our Patreon channel going, some behind the scenes movies we've been putting up there. Good stuff.
Yeah, you guys, the behind the scenes is actually pretty funny.
a riot.
Yeah. Anyway, the sauce on this is what makes this sandwich. It is delicious.
Hey, we didn't do the taste test check.
I'm
Give
just saying
an
for me, I
chance.
already bit. Look at that, Jeff, right there. Look at that.
Nice.
Come in on that.
Try not to make people dizzy moving around too much. Looks good. All right, where's the French press?
Listen to the guy who double dredges thing.
Jeff hasn't helped much. That's why he's commenting.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Good bite.
The sauce, nice kick, Chris.
Thank you. It was the Fra Diavolo is exactly what I was looking for. Is there enough cheese on it?
Yeah, it's outstanding, the whole thing. And the bread's, I thought the bread was going to be harder.
Yeah, it
It's
didn't
nice and soft.
It didn't harden at all. I think we can thank the grill blazer for helping us cook out, finish it out at the end. That was perfect.
Yeah.
If I let it sit on the griddle, it would have, it would have overcooked everything a little bit.
Everything's perfect.
Yeah,
Sauce is killer.
I like it.
Sauce is really, really good.
All kidding aside, I'll give you $50 if you can finish up.
I can't right now. I can't.
$50.
No way.
All right, 100.
I'm in. Shut the camera up. I don't want them to see me eat like this. But anyways, thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. You already asked all the good stuff, Jeff.
Like,
clip.
subscribe.
I think you already covered that.
Yeah.
We're good. We'll see you in the next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Next up, Jeff's cooking a whole goat on the griddle.
I thought it was octopus.
I just bought an octopus. Now you want me to cook a goat?